Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 25th of July 2014 market review. The trade for today is called Liberty. Code is LBH. Last traded price was 130 Rand 60 cents. The action here is a long, buying from a low to a high. Entry level is 129 Rand 77. So the expectation is of this trade is to break this dotted blue line here and go physically higher to the green line, and that target is 139 Rand 1 cents. The stop loss you need to use on this trade is 125 Rand 15. So when it bounces up and comes down again, please use the stop loss of 125 Rand and 15 cents. Current open trades is PSG, Investec and Exxaro. The top 40 shares. Now looking at the top 40 shares, that's the index. The blue line is the index movement. It's coming right down, tested the dotted 5-day moving average again, and the grey line here is the 20-day moving average coming a bit down on this. Looking in the American markets, last night they closed totally flat on -2 points, and they were closing close to that 17,083 points. Still in the positive channel, but looking at the last part of this movements the last few days, a bit up, a bit down, a bit up, and a bit down. So smaller movements happening in the market. That is due to earnings season on the S&P 500 as well, causing a bit of volatility. Current futures are about 18 points positive for our afternoon opening at 3:30 this afternoon. Looking at the J200, that's the top 40. Their futures are a bit down for opening at 8:30 this morning. As you can see, they're about 90 points down on the future prices for this opening. But look at this, still in the upward channel. Currently coming down at this moment here. Now, if I'm going to extend this support line here, you can see basically it's very close to the support line here. Still a low to keep in track is 46,200. Currently trading at 46,448. At any time it breaks at 46,200, next low will be about 45,818 points. But let's first see if it's going to break it down. We get some indications coming a bit down, confirming the support here on 46,200. As you can see, there's a bit of movement still down here. So that doesn't mean the market is going to break down. We just need to see if it's going to consolidate, break on this, and break up again. But the highs are getting smaller on the technical side here. So the trading ranges are getting small, and they actually look just similar in the US markets. The trading ranges are getting small there. Shoprite. Now looking at Shoprite, went up, losing a bit of momentum, close to 166 Rand at this time. Looking at the Bollinger Bands, was testing this highs here, still in the positive channel going upwards, but we need to see where direction will be in the next day or two. Looking at Truworths also broke up, testing the 61.8% or the 74 Rand level on the Fibonacci, currently trading at 74 Rand, and it's testing the middle Bollinger Band, that's the green line here. So we need to see where the continuous will be. Tested, break down, tested and break up. Looking at Mr. Price, still going up here in a positive channel, and trading between the green and the red Bollinger Bands, still going high but losing a bit of momentum in the short term. Woolies did touch the almost the 84 Rand level through the course of yesterday, testing this double top high here. The big question is, will this be a double top coming down? If it breaks this bottom, will it follow back to the 80 Rand level? BGA, Barclays Bank. Now, Barclays Bank had a nice rise the last few days, and as you can see, it's still trading between the green and the red Bollinger Bands as well, lifting it up, trading at new highs of 168.87. Expectation is 170, but we need to see if this one can lose a bit of momentum. Looking at some indicators, quite high at this moment. As you can see, it's quite high, but still in a positive channel going upwards, confirming the positive channel in the short term as well. Standard Bank moved a bit up yesterday, Still in the sideways band here. Trading at 147 rand. That is just the previous highs here. So we need to see in the sideways channel where this one will go. Into as expected, downward cycle, trading between the green Bollinger Band and the purple Bollinger Band. But now at this time it's trading the cycle of 225 is the high and 220 is the low. Currently trading at 222. We need to wait to see if it's going to break 225 to break higher or 220 to break lower. So you can actually keep a close eye on this on live charts as well. Vodacom got a bit of momentum going upwards. Currently testing this 127.22, trading at 127.11. There was a lot of support to the bottom, picking up, but this high on the middle Bollinger Band is still confirming that this share could most probably go to 128 rand from this current level. But still not a confirmation of a big breakup happening. It looks like a reversal pattern here of a head and shoulder. There's the leg, there's the shoulder, there's the head, and that's the shoulder. Confirmation needs to break 128 to go back to the 132 levels in the short term. Looking at some indicators, there's a bit of a push-up happening here. Looking at stochastics also breaking up here as well. And looking at RSI also confirming this. But you can see a reversal pattern. A reversal pattern is always a good pattern. And the last part of the pattern going back to the previous level here. Barloworld, still trading sideways, nothing actually big happening on this specific trade. IPL, that is Imperial. Now Imperial, quite interesting, look at this low, high, low, higher. As we discussed in the last 2 days, breaking this high means there's a bit of a small upward channel going up here. And it could go back here to the 205 levels in the short term, currently trading at 204 levels, currently trading at 198, so that's a small reversal that happens on this specific trade here. Last here is Kumba. We spoke about Kumba yesterday. We called it this Fibonacci's, and we said on the Fibonacci's this share can go here close to the 363 level. Currently trading at 360. The breakup did happen here, so this could be a start of a new positive channel forming here. Looking at indicators, quite topish here, so expectation in the next 2 or 3 days. We'll go and test that 360 level we spoke about, and then start pushing down from there. The share's got the opportunity to break physically high back to the 380 levels, to the 390 levels in the short term. But let's consolidate and keep a close eye on this trade. Enjoy trading.